Today we're heading to one of the most popular beachfront hotels in Thailand, the Hilton Pattaya. Located right in the heart of Pattaya, the Hilton Pattaya sits directly above Central Festival Pattaya Beach, one of the larger shopping malls in Southeast Asia. This means you're only steps away from the beach, shopping, dining, and nightlife, all in one place. Let's talk about the rooms. The hotel features around 300 modern rooms and suites, all designed with floor-to-ceiling windows and private balconies offering stunning views over Pattaya Bay. One of the standout features is every room has an ocean view, giving you that perfect tropical experience. Now, how do you get there? From Suvarnabhumi Airport in Bangkok, it's about 120 kilometers to Pattaya, which takes roughly 90 minutes to 2 hours by car, depending on traffic. Let's talk about the weather. Pattaya enjoys a warm tropical climate all year round. Average daily temperatures sit around 28 to 32 degrees Celsius, with sea temperatures also warm and perfect for swimming. The best time to visit is between November and April, when the weather is drier, sunnier, and ideal for beach activities. Now, what makes this hotel special? The Hilton Pattaya offers a stunning infinity pool overlooking the ocean, a full-service spa, and multiple restaurants and bars. One of the highlights is the rooftop restaurant and bar, which offers incredible sunset views over Pattaya Bay. There's also the direct access to Central Festival Mall, giving you endless shopping and dining options right below you. Nearby attractions. You're just minutes away from Pattaya Beach, walking street nightlife, and attractions like Ripley's Believe It or Not Museum or the Pattaya Viewpoint. Everything is within reach, making this one of the most convenient locations in the city. Overall, the Hilton Pattaya is perfect if you want a mix of luxury, location, and vibrant city energy. Whether you're here for the nightlife, shopping, or just relaxing by the pool with ocean views, this hotel delivers it all. This is a very nice hotel in a very nice location. Not so good if you're driving though. Traffic in this area, Pattaya Second Road, Pattaya Beach Road, can be a nightmare at times. It is a parking lot a lot of the time. It makes it very difficult to get in and out of here. But if you don't plan on doing a lot of driving, this is an awesome location. You're close to a lot of stuff. You're close to a lot of nightlife, a lot of shopping, a lot more than was mentioned here. A lot of bars, a lot of stuff going on. Pattaya Beach is literally right across the road. Plus the shopping mall, tons of stuff in there. It is a big shopping mall. This is a good location. Customer reviews, almost 14,000 reviews on Agoda. They give 9.1 out of 10. That's pretty good for Agoda, that's for sure. And like I said, almost 14,000 reviews. I will leave the link to Agoda in the video description so you can get more information if you're interested. Check the prices on your dates. Right now, looking ahead about 2 months, which puts it in the low season, the cost is around 6,500 baht per night or $200 US. That is before taxes. But you have to remember, this is in the middle of the city, in a very busy area, and it's a 5-star hotel. And the views, pretty spectacular. All right, guys, there it is as always. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you're new here and you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you on the next one.